Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Squarespace domains to connect Search Console. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize your Squarespace domain for Google Search Console, start by logging into your Squarespace account. From the home dashboard, navigate to the settings section. In the settings menu, find and select domains. Locate the domain you want to connect and click on it. Next, look for the advanced settings option and click to expand it. You will see a section for Domain Provider, where you'll need to find the option to add a TXT record. Open a new tab and go to the Google Search Console website. Log in with your Google account, or create a new one if necessary. Once logged in, click on the Start Now button to access the Search Console dashboard. In the dashboard, click on the Add Property button in the upper right corner. Select the domain option from the available options. Enter your full domain name, including any subdomains if necessary. Click on the Continue button to generate a TXT verification record for your domain. Copy the TXT record provided by Google. Return to your Squarespace tab and scroll to the TXT records section in the Advanced Settings. Click Add TXT Record to create a new record. In the field that appears, paste the TXT verification code you copied from Google. Leave the host field blank to signify the root domain. Now, click Save to apply the new TXT record. Return to the Google Search Console tab and click on the Verify button. After verification, you should see a success message indicating your domain is connected. Your Squarespace domain is now authorized to connect to Google Search Console, enabling you to monitor your site's performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.